Hi everybody, it's Martyn at Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm tying another classic river wet fly for you. This is Stewart's black spider. It's a messy little bug, but it's very, very effective all year long, all season long. Fish it from the very beginning right through the summer into the back end. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description, along with a link to the Patreon page and the PayPal for anybody that wants to support the channel and get access to the members only content, along with being entered into the monthly giveaways. So I've got my hook and my vise. It's a size 14, so just an all-purpose medium weight. I'm just going to start my thread. This is brown uni, and I'm going to leave my tag end long. I'm going to wind down to the point of the hook and stop there. Now I'm not going to tie this following the instructions in Stewart's book, simply because I think this is a better way to tie it. If you're tying it the way Stewart ties it, you would tie the hackle in by the base at the front, wrap it around your thread and then tie back and whip finish here. But you end up trapping millions of fibres and it's messy. I mean, it's quite a scruffy fly, but it's more messy than I like. And if you tie it this way, it's actually more durable. I know they don't last a huge length of time, but they do last a wee bit longer if you tie them like this. So I've got my hackle here. This is a starling back feather. I'm just going to catch it in by the tip. Doesn't really matter which way it's facing, but I've got the inside of the feather facing myself. And I've picked quite a big feather, it's quite a long one. It's sort of more from the side of the back, just so I've got enough length to get all the way up this 14. Take my thread to the front. I'm going to take this tag end, I'm going to lay it inside the feather, and I'm going to twist them together. And you'll see you start to get this kind of nice rope. Right. So I'm still using the twisting technique. I'm just twisting it and coming up from the other end with a separate strand of thread. And then just get a wee fold and come forward in open turns. Making this straggly, leggy mass as you go. When you go up to the head, I mean, I've got some of these wee fluffy fibres in here, I don't mind that, that's just extra movement. Lock it off with a couple of turns, and I'm just going to come in, trim that. I'm going to build up a wee head. And then I'll come in and whip finish. Resplit it. Head cement to finish off, and that's you. Stewart's black spider. Simple, but very, very effective. And don't be fooled into thinking it's just a river fly. It works great in still waters as well. A great fly to stick on in a buzzard hatch. Just a sort of generic wee middle dropper. So, hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Tight lines, guys. Bye.